Welcome to the channel The Office Guide. I am Ravi Kishore Agrawal and today we are going to see the Insert tab. Well, we use Insert tab to insert the picture, charts, filter, hyperlink, etc. We use this option to insert the objects in Excel. To open the Insert tab, press shortcut keys Alt and N. You can see here when I pressed Alt, you need to press N and the Insert tab gets open. So this is the shortcut key to open Insert tab. Under the Insert tab, we have 10 groups: tables, illustrations, add-ins, charts, tools, sparklines, filters, links, text and symbols. Let's see everyone one by one. First is tables. We use this option to insert the dynamic table, pivot table and recommended pivot table. Pivot table is used to create the summary of reports within the built-in calculation, and we have option to make our own calculation. Tables make it easy to sort, filter and format the data within a sheet. This option is also having recommended table. That means on the basis of data, we can just insert the table as per the Excel's recommendation. The next one is illustrations. In illustration, we insert the pictures, online pictures and shapes, smart shapes and screenshot. It means if you want to insert any image, we can use illustration features. The next one is add-ins or the apps. We use this option to actually insert an app into the current document, and in order to enhance the functionality, we can use the ribbon. The next one is charts. Charts is very important and useful function in Excel. In Excel, we have different and good numbers of ready-made chart options. We have 8 type of different charts in Excel: the column chart, the bar chart, radar, line, area, combo, pie and bubbles chart. And in the updated version of 2016, we have many other chart options as well. We can insert pivot chart as well as recommended chart, and if you don't know which chart we should insert for the data, we can use this option to fulfill the requirement. Well, the next one is your sparklines. Sparklines is a very tricky and useful option and added by Microsoft Excel. On the basis of range, it can visualize the trends in a single cell as chart. We have 3 different types of cell charts: line, column, win and loss chart. The another one is tools, and this is a very special feature in 2016 MS Office application. We'll see this in our future videos. The next one is filters. We use this option to filter data visually and filter data dates interactively. We have 2 options here: slicer and timeline. We use slicer to make the faster and easier to filter tables, pivot charts and cube function. Timelines make it easier, faster to select time periods in order to filter pivot table, charts and cube function. The next one is links. We use this option to create the link in the document for a quick access to web page and files. We can also use it to access different locations in the document. Well, the next one is text. We use this option to insert the text box, header and footer, word art, signature and objects. We insert text box to write something in the image format. We use header and footer option to place the content on the top and bottom of the page. Word art makes the text stylish. Insert the add signature lines that specifies the individual who is supposed to sign it. And object option works for embedded objects like document or other files we have inserted into the document. Last is the symbols. We use this option to insert the symbols and equation. Equations is used to insert the common mathematical equation to your document. Also, we can add equation by using the mathematical symbols. We use symbols to insert the symbols which are not on the keyboard, and to create the equation we use the symbols from here. I hope you like this.